SagaPoll is a free survey platform where you share your opinion on different topics, and in return, you earn points that you can redeem for paper cash or gift card. And it works in many countries, and the process is simple. You register, you complete your profile, answer available surveys, and when you reach the minimum points to withdraw, you request for a payout. In this video, I'll show you exactly how SagaPoll works, how to get more surveys, and step by step on how to request for a payout. You can get the app on Play Store, and you can also use the website. So to get started, visit either the website or the app on your phone and download, and after downloading, sign up using your email or Google or Facebook account. It is completely free and it takes less than 2 minutes to get started. So after registering an account, what you'll do next is to complete your profile. I've already done this, okay? So SagaPoll uses your profile details like your age, your location, your interest to match you with surveys you qualify for. And the more complete your profile is, the more surveys you can receive. So make sure to complete your profile honestly. So when new surveys are available, they will sometimes appear on your dashboard and sometimes can be sent to your email. So when you receive a survey, answer the question honestly and submit. Now, most survey takes like 5 to 10 minutes to complete, and you earn points based on the length and the complexity. As you can see, I have some surveys here, but I'm not going to do this for the sake of this video. Now, each survey you complete add points to your account. For example, 100 points is equal to 10 cents, but the value may vary depending on your country. So as you can see, I only have 25 points up there after filling or completing my profile. So there are other ways to earn. For example, you scroll, you see store visits. Earn more than 1,000 points per day in visiting stores. And you can also earn by product rating. You scan a product, rate it, and find out what others think, and you earn. It's so simple. Okay, so when you reach the minimum payout, which for me here is 5,000 points, which is equal to $5, you can withdraw. So you click on your profile, you click on redeem points, and when you have up to 5,000 points, you can request for a payout, and you can choose PayPal or gift cards or even bank transfer. It all depends on your country. And after submitting your request, payments are usually processed within few days, okay? So you need to be patient. Now, to earn most from surveys, here's what you need to do. Check your email daily for new surveys, and when you find surveys, make sure to complete them quickly before they expire. Give consistent, honest answers to avoid disqualification. Use a stable internet connection so that you don't lose your progress. And remember, you may not qualify for some survey, but don't give up, keep going, and you will surely earn. And that's how to earn with SagaPoll in 2025. It's not a full-time income, but it's a simple way to make extra income by sharing your opinion online. So if you found this video helpful, please give it a like, subscribe for more earning tips, and be sure to share it with someone who might also want to earn money online. Thank you.